Have you ever plugged in your phone and then you notice it's not charging? One thing to do is connect it to another iPhone to confirm that the cable is working. What I found, especially with my iPhone, that this port can get filled with dust, particles, or lint, especially when putting it in your pocket. Anything stuck inside that port can keep your phone from charging. All you need is a toothpick. Gently use a toothpick to remove the debris from the port. Here's all the lint and particles that came out of the phone. Now we'll test the phone.